This is a quick video on installing the Bosch Tronic 3000 Pro model US12 point of use tankless water heater. So here's the box. I also installed a 60 amp disconnect, air conditioner disconnect, and to get this tankless water heater to work, I had to remove this screen on the aerator, which goes in the faucet up here. It screws in up here to increase the water flow so the unit would turn on. So that's what I had to do. Some people don't have to do that, but you got to remove that screen right there on this. So I'm installing this on 2 sinks, and here's the unit under here. So there's the Bosch tankless water heater, and there's the disconnect over there. That's 6'2" wire with ground. You don't need a 6'3". You just need 6 gauge wire, just 2 wires, and there's the disconnect. Here's the unit over here, and the cold water coming in. I had a T, make a T, one for the tankless, and one for the cold water above. And the hot water is, you don't use the hot water anymore because this is going to go into the unit as input, and your out's going to be hot water, and that's T'd also. For me, I'm going to the other side of the other sink, and this one goes to the sink above. And let's see if I can turn on the water so you can see. Let's see, I'm going to turn it on. Should be able to see that. Now there's the LED coming on. So if you turn the hot water on, that LED comes on, which means that the sensor has been activated because the water flow is great enough to where it knows to turn the machine on, or the heating element on. But that's it. Let me see if I can get in here and see there's the wire to see. Oh, it's over here. I think you can see the wire. That's kind of hard. Anyway, there's the unit, and here's the picture when it's all done, and that's it.